In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text blocks Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place, edit, style, and layer your text so it looks clean, consistent, and on brand. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. From the main dashboard, head into your site by clicking Website. Once you're in, switch to editing mode by selecting Edit. This opens the Fluid Engine canvas where you'll see a grid that helps you position content precisely. To add text, open the content menu and choose Add Block. From the block options, select Text. A new text block appears on your canvas. Click and drag it to position it on the grid. You'll notice it snaps into place, which makes aligning elements effortless. If you want to fine-tune the layout, resize the text block by dragging its corners or sides. Wider blocks are great for paragraphs, while narrower ones work well for headlines and captions. To edit the content, double-click inside the block. That opens the text toolbar and places your cursor in the text area so you can start typing or paste in existing copy. Press enter whenever you want to create a new paragraph and keep your content scannable. When you need to emphasize something, highlight the text and use the toolbar to adjust formatting size or style. Change font size for headings, apply bold or italics for emphasis, or tweak alignment to suit your layout. Keep your choices consistent to maintain a clear visual hierarchy. There are two ways to style text, and they do different things. Double-clicking affects the content level formatting you just saw. Clicking the text block once without entering edit mode opens the design panel. Here you can adjust font spacing, weight, and color at the block level, or apply pre-designed font packs to keep your typography cohesive across the page. You can also add a background color to a text block. This is perfect for callouts, quotes, or section labels. Pick a color with enough contrast so the text stays readable. If your text needs to point somewhere, you can add links. Select the words you want linked and choose the link option in the toolbar to connect to a page or an external URL. Finally, you can layer text blocks over other blocks to add detail, like placing a headline over an image. When you layer, check readability. Adjust the text color, weight, or background color if needed so the message stays clear. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently add, edit, style, and layer text in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine for polished professional pages.